Right about here is where the engine just shuts off and we're coasting. Just got the turbo replaced. Was super stoked. Showing it off to my buddy at Airsoft. And yeah, that's all she wrote for that one. So get out the car.
Yeah, I think you blew something, bro.
Thank you, Captain Obvious.
Anything? No. You guys just puffed out a shitload of smoke out.
So we're back on the build number 2. Looks like your standard tear down. Get to buy all the new gaskets and all that good stuff again. Slapped in a new clutch while we were at it because my competition clutch was fried. We also cleaned the injectors, did a little rear differential service, installed a new air oil separator. I don't like how the PLM one got all that milky stuff underneath it when I ran E. And slapped in some cams. That machine work was pretty pricey, but got some GSE Stage 1 cams. And shout out to M45.